Okay, so this week I will be showing you guys how to make this cute romper. So here I am starting with the front pattern, and my client is a size medium. My pattern is a size small. So I am adding 2 inches to my measurement. You want to make sure you match your measurements correctly so the outfit will fit properly. Now the front pattern will be split in half. I'm separating the top half from the bottom. So here you see me marking the high waist part of the pants. This is only the front pattern of the romper, so make sure you pin the seams. No, that's too slow. Now for the top half of the outfit, I am freehanding the top. I'm making a halter top, so just follow along with me. cut out in the front. So here I am marking the hole about 3 inches. Now I have my top and bottom piece cut out, and I'm going to sew along that seam.
Oh, I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan.
Here I am cutting out the back of the romper. My client wanted her back out, so here I'm going to cut at an angle.
Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love it was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Running like you know, it got me going. Only about yourself. Wanna find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say I know that was not the same? How you gonna
Once you have all your pieces cut out, you can go to the sewing machine and sew down all the seams.
This bitch got me paper tips, diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist, and here I am all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan.
And this is the final product. It was a birthday outfit, so I added all these gems. If you would like to see daily content, follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe.